Hi, good morning, hi, good morning, good evening, good night, good morning. Yeah, good morning. Bagunara, Bagunara. Okay, very good. Everyone, Manchi at home. What's going at home? Chilling or studying? What's going on? क्या हो रहा है घर पे what's going on chilling or studying what's going on no one is saying anything means not studying chill acha chilling with studying yeah sir chilling but we are doing different type of chilling sir we are chilling with studying yeah okay very good no chilling sir only studying yeah okay no problem yeah same okay study also type of chilling only yeah when offline classes will start thinking sir Kalyani what you are thinking say saying thinking sir what you are thinking huh when offline classes started offline classes going on who is that asking when offline classes will start offline classes going on you can come to the campus anytime about future wow don't think about future we should work in present and we should be concerned about future that's it no need to think more yeah you already know in study you are in such a field where you know the thing that hard work will make you success that is the only thing so no need to extra think yeah padna hai aur phodna hai bas khatam nothing else mottam hard work petandi rank vastundi mottam hard work year lopla mottam hard work petandi good rank vastundi okay okay sir change oh eh don't put such demands yeah okay no problem so shall we start with the class shuru kare kya shall we start modlundi modlundi yeah okay bahut badhiya very good yeah okay no problem yeah and I think in last class we were talking about your favorite theorem given by your favorite person Lakshmi. Yeah, we studied about Lakshmi's theorem. Yeah, okay. People don't know means outside people let US people think that Lamis was discovered by them, Lamis theorem, but we are knowing the reality. We are ground level people. We know the reality. Reality is Lakshmi's. Yeah, theorem was given by Lakshmi's. Okay, no problem. Achha, did we do any question from there or just we studied theorem? Questions not done. Okay, we just studied theorem. So theorem was very simple. F1 by sine theta 1 equal to F2 by sine theta 2 equal to F3 by sine theta 3. You tell me what is this theta? How you will take this angle theta? कैसे लोगे angle theta? How you will take angle theta? How you will take angle theta? Opposite to the force. If F1 is like this, theta 1 will be opposite to it. Yeah, opposite. You have seen in movies some move you have seen a dance move. Same manner, yeah. This dancing move came from Lakshmi's theorem only. Force like this, angle like this, opposite. If force is going forward, angle will be going backward. This you have seen, nah. This from Lakshmi's theorem only. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Okay. So I will give you some question. 1-2 questions we will do from there, and then we will move further. Do one question. You write. And this is how questions of Lamis theorem will appear to you. Nothing else. This is how actually question of Lamis theorem are framed. Nothing will be always this type of question will be framed related with if they want to ask you question with the help of Lamis theorem. This is how question will appear to you. Yeah. Jenny, I will ask about the marks at the end. Yeah, yesterday test was there. I will ask about the marks at the end. No problem. Yeah. First, let's finish out this Lamis theorem and remaining part. Okay. So you write in the given figure. If the system is in equilibrium, you can see two perpendicular walls are there, corner of your room, perpendicular walls are there. In the given figure, if the system is in equilibrium, these are the walls you can see. In the given figure, if the system is in equilibrium, find T1, T2 and T3. You may have seen this type of question last year also because these are the questions of Lamis theorem. Find T1, T2 and T3. 10 kg block is there, already said system is in equilibrium. Here tension I am representing as T1, here tension I am representing as T2, here I am representing tension as T3. Same T3 will act here also, okay, no problem. So you have to tell me value of T1, T2 and T3. Angle also I am giving you, this angle is given as 60 degree and this is perpendicular. This is 90 degree given, yeah. So you have to find the value of T1, T2 and T3. This is how question of Lami's theorem will appear to you. Whenever they will ask you Lami's theorem, this is how figure will be there. I think out of T1, T2, T3, one tension you are getting directly. No need to use even Lami's theorem. Lisha is saying some answer seems to be correct, Lisha. Okay, very good, Lisha. Acha, which tension will come directly without using any theorem directly we can see and tell which tension about which tension we can say directly even without doing anything. T3 we can say because T3 is balancing mg of the block. If the system is in equilibrium, that means this block is also in equilibrium. You already know, you are long-term people, you have basic idea that on everybody gravity exert force. Earth pulls down everybody with some force. That force will be mg. And here m is 10, g also we are considering 10, so this will be 100 Newton. And if this block is not falling down, this T3 is balancing this mg. So one thing we know, sir, without solving also, T3 we are knowing, sir, that will come 100 Newton. But for finding T1 and T2, we have to use Lami's theorem. Lisha has given both answers, very good. Seems to be correct, Lisha, very good. So you have to just write the Lami's theorem. T1 by angle opposite to it, T2 by angle opposite to it, T3 by angle opposite to it. From there you will get. Lisha, you can once check your answer whether it is correct or not. What happened? T2 by 90, T2 by sine 90, not 90. T2 by sine 90. What happened? No one is giving answer. Kya ho gaya? Trishal, your answer is correct. Trishal has given all the three answers correct. Very good, Trishal. Lisha, your answer was wrong. You did some mistake in taking angle. Priyanka, all answers correct. Very good, Priyanka. Other people, come on. You have to try the question. You have to give the NEET exam. You have to work hard. You have to solve the question. Sri Gosalites, yeah, seems to be correct. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Let's see. Many people are struggling. Maybe first question, that's why. Many people are struggling. See, I will give you next question also. Only two questions I can give you. First question, again, I will make you understand how to use Lami's theorem. Yeah, seems to be correct. No problem. We will see. Okay, no problem. Just here. Leave your copy and be focused. These are the questions which are asked from Lami's theorem. Otherwise, no other type of question exists here. Leave your copy, be focused. Everyone understood na? T3 will be 100. Ye to samajh gaya, T3 will be 100. T3 will be 100, that's sure. Yeah, someone is giving me answer. That's okay, no problem. Yeah, T3 is 100. Everyone got? No one is saying. At least you have to say, Baba. Okay, no problem. Just here. Now, always remember, be focused, follow the process, follow the steps. Otherwise, you'll get confused in the exam. You'll do negative marking there. So be careful, follow the step. Do the next question. Okay, no problem. Yeah. First thing, sir, we are going to use. First thing, T3 will balance its mg. So T3 will be equal to 100 Newton. And if you look at this point, at this point, three forces are acting. T1 is acting, T2 is acting, T3 is acting, that means about this point, and it is in equilibrium. That means about this point we can use Lami's theorem. We can use Lakshmi's theorem about this point. Yeah. Now first thing, always remember, always be careful about the angle. T1 by sine of angle opposite to it. Yeah. So I'll simply say, so I'm going to write the Lami's theorem. T1 by sine of angle opposite to T1. Can you tell me what is the total angle opposite? This is T1 now, so angle opposite to it is this. This is the dance move I was talking about. Can you tell me what is the angle opposite to T1? 150 degree. That you have to get. That you have to get. If you don't get, then you have to do something. You will simply say, sir, here if I extend this line, this is 60, so this is also 60. Alternate angle, 60, 60. This is already 90. You see, this is already 90. So total angle opposite to T1 will become 90 plus 60. You can write 150 also, or I will simply write 90 plus 60. Why I am writing 90 plus 60? Why I am not writing 150? Because people don't remember value of sine 150. But everyone remember from 0 to 90. So that's why sine 90 plus theta will convert directly to cos theta. Your calculation will become easier. That's why I've written 90 plus 60. Okay, no problem. Similarly, T2 by sine of angle opposite to T2. What is the angle opposite to T2? What is the angle opposite to T2? What is the angle opposite to T2? 90. So sine 90. Then T3 by sine of angle opposite to T3. What is the angle opposite to T3? This is your T3. What is the angle opposite to T3? This mottam angle, Baba, ye pura hai. This is the angle opposite to T3. How you can forget Lami's theorem? This is T3, angle opposite to it is this entire. Yeah, that is already, you will simply say, that means this total angle will come, sir. You see, this is already 90 and this is 60, this is 90. So this angle is 30. So it will come 90 plus 30. Is it okay? Yahan tak sahi hai. Is it okay? 120 you can write, but people don't generally remember sine 120. That's why I've written in the terms of 90 plus theta so that we can directly convert to cos theta. Is it okay? Up to this, is it okay? Come on, everyone say yes or no. Don't be seated in the room and just not doing any response. Come on. Everyone is okay up to this. Now, this is the answer. Now, next step is the answer. We'll simply say, now I'll put the value. T1 by sine 90 plus theta will become cos theta. So, cos 60. T2 by, T2 value we know. I think T2 value we don't know. T2 by sine 90, that is 1. This is T3. T3 value we know, sir. 100 by sine 90 plus theta will become cos theta. So cos 30. Now just you have to put the values. This will be coming as T1 by cos 60, 1 by 2. T2 by sine, no need to write 1, or if you want you can write T2 by 1. And this is 100 by cos 30, root 3 by 2. Now you can take in pairs. Yeah. If you take these two, this 2 will come in numerator. So this will become 2T1. And this 2 will also come in numerator. So 2 into 100 by 3. 100 by root 3. So from here T1 will come. 100 by root 3. This is the value of T1. Similarly, if you take these two will come in numerator. Here nothing is there. So 200 by. So T2 will come 200 by root 3. How many of you got these answers? 1920 got, Aditya got, Priyanka got, Gautam got, Suhas got, SGE 17 got, Tina got. Come on, bolo. Sristitha got, yeah. Dot got, Lisa got, Jenny got, Trishal got. One more question I will give. Lisha, you gave wrong answer. First time you gave wrong answer. First time you gave answer that was wrong. Come on, everyone, write. Then I will give you next question from here. Easy. It's very easy. One more question I will give. Once you complete writing, you can say done, sir. Easy. It's very easy. People are saying it's very easy, sir. Previously it used to be tough, but now it's very easy. बहुत ही आसान है Lami's theorem, Baba. And you should have more feeling for Lami's theorem because it is discovered by someone belonging to our AP and Telangana, so combined. So we should be more having feeling. Come on, do the next question. Do the next question. Come on, everyone must do the next question. And I want correct answer this time. Everyone, take your time. Don't be in hurry. Because if you'll be hurry, you may miss the angle. 60, 30 you'll miss, you'll get wrong answer. You write, if the system is in equilibrium, find T1, T2 and T3. Find T1, T2 and T3. Only one place there is chance to make mistake is in the angle. That's it. Otherwise, it's very clear. Sai, what is that? T3 will come 50. T3 is very easy to find. Yeah. That's why Sai has given first answer about T3. They will not even ask T3. They will ask you T1 and T2, or they will ask you ratio of T1 and T2. बहुत ही आसानी से आ जाएगा आंसर. Don't be in a hurry. Do one question, get the answer. That will develop confidence in you. Trishal, very good. But both will not come, Trishal. One is 60, one is 30. How both will come same value? That will happen for 45 degree, Trishal. You have done some mistake. See the angle carefully. Alternate angles you have to use. Priyanka has only said correct answer. Priyanka, all answers correct. Very good, Priyanka. Gautam, all answers correct. Very good. 1921 answer correct. Both answers correct. Very good. 1922. Suhas, very good. All three answers correct. Lisha, how T2 will come 5 Newton? Lisha doing fastly, just missing the concept. We should drive our car fast. That doesn't mean we can make accidents. So if you are doing fast, you have to be more alert. Yeah. SGEI, you can then put the values and tell me the answer, final answer. Are so easy, Baba. Kya kar rahe ho? Come on, class 2, 3. Yeah. Now people are saying correct. Correct answer, T1. Okay, no problem. Let's see. I will tell. Yeah. Correct. Both answers correct. S, both answers correct. Chandan, Ledu, wrong. No problem. Let's see, and let's realize your mistake. Realize your mistake where you miss the concept. Jyotika, correct. Very good. Nayak, correct. Nayak, both will not come 25√3. Na. Vashavi, correct. One answer correct. Vashavi. Janvi has written T2 by 90 plus 60. कितना short में लिखते हो यार? Come on. Aditya, correct. Aditya, first answer correct. Vashavi, both answers correct. Tina, both answers correct. Very good. Yeah, let's see. No problem. Yeah, okay. But practice these questions again. These are the only question. No other question exists in Lami's theorem. Yeah. Aditya, both answers correct. Yeah. So first thing, you tell me T1, T2, T3. T3 is very easy to find, sir. Even if you don't use Lami's theorem, nothing to do. I know, sir, T3, this block mg will act downward, 50 Newton will act downward. So T3 I am knowing, sir. T3 will come 50 Newton. But for T1 and T2, you have to use Lami's theorem. And see how I'll use Lami's theorem. Very easy. T1 by, still those who are not getting answer, yeah, okay, very good. You can think like that. Banu, wrong. 222, correct. Yeah. If you're still those who are not getting answer, they're missing some concept. Don't miss the concept. I'll simply say, sir, T1 by sine of angle opposite to it. So this mottam is angle opposite to it. If this is T1, angle opposite to it is the mottam. And you can see already. If this is 30, this is also 30, alternate angle. This is already 90. So total angle will become T1 sine 90 plus 30. This will be equal to T2 sine. Tell me what is the angle opposite to T2? This is your T2. Angle opposite to T2 is this mottam. This mottam is the angle opposite to it. Mottam angle opposite to means, sir, if I see this is 60, this is 60, already 90 is there. So angle will become, sir, sine 90 plus 60. And this will be equal to T3 by sine of angle opposite. What is the angle opposite to T3? What is the angle opposite to T3? Janvi now correct, no problem. Yeah. What is the angle opposite to T3? 90. You can see because 60, 30, so this of course will be 90. So sine 90. Now you can put there. Just petandi answer vastundi. T1 by sine 90 plus theta is cos theta. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. It's very crystal clear. You cannot make anywhere mistake. Everything is going in a very simple manner. T2 by sine 90 plus theta, cos theta. So cos 61 by 2. T3 you already know. 50. So 50 by sine 90 is 1. Now you can just do the cross multiplication. If you do the cross multiplication, T1 will become root 3 by 2 into 50. And T2 will become 1 by 2 into 50. So T1 will come 25 root 3 and T2 will come 25. Is it okay? How many of you got these answers? How many of you got Muttam answer correct? Priyanka got, Varshini got, Jenny got, Nayak got, Aditya got, Srestitha got, Charisma got, 22934 got, Jyotika got, Shuhas got, Vashavi got. I think many people got. Yeah. Aditya got, Jenny. Yeah. Okay. Varshini got. I think everyone got. Everyone got the idea how to use Lami's theorem. Kaise use karna hai? Is it okay? So shall we move further? Aage badhe? Shall we move further? Yeah. Okay, Nayak. Yeah. Okay. No problem. So I'm giving you time of 5 seconds after class. Again, do these questions. And then exact idea you will get how angles we are taking. Yeah. Calculation wrong. You cannot do, Chandan. You have to learn the calculation. No problem. We cannot learn calculation in one day. But slowly, you have to see where you are doing mistake in calculation. Then only slowly with time you will become strong. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. Once see all this thing, if you feel okay, you can say done, sir. We'll move further. आगे बढ़ेंगे. Yeah, I think, yeah, done, sir. Okay, very good. We understood, sir. We understood 2 questions, sir. Last class also you told every concept. So we got exact idea, sir, how to use Lami's theorem. Now we'll move further. Yeah. So till now our focus was addition of vector, subtraction of vector. Now we are going to study. No problem, Kiran. Slowly you learn. Slowly you'll keep on doing. Speed will increase with time. No need to do more fastly right now. Slowly you can do. Yeah. Now we'll move further. So addition completed, subtraction completed. Now we'll study about multiplication of 2 vector. You can write multiplication means product of vector. You write product of vectors. Product of vectors. And now be focused. Bring understanding, because this product questions directly, at least 4 questions are asked in the NEET every year where there is use of product of vector. Question will come in rotational, that will be also using product of vector. Question will use in work power energy, that will be also using product of vector. Question will come from magnetism, that will be also using product of vector. Question will be used from current electricity, that will be also using product of vector. So it's going to be very, very important. Actually, you tell me, if you have 2 vectors, and if you multiply them, can you tell me what will be your result? Scalar or vector? If you have 2 vectors, you multiply 2 vectors, your answer will be scalar or vector? If 2 vectors are multiplied, answer will be scalar or vector? Both possibilities are there. There are some quantities in physics when they are multiplied. There are some vectors in physics when they are multiplied, they give answer scalar. And there's some quantity in physics when they are multiplied, they give answer vector. For example, if you multiply force and displacement, what you will get? You tell me force into displacement, what you will get? Force is vector, Displacement is a vector. You'll get work. A force into displacement is the work. Work is a scalar quantity. Work is a scalar quantity. But if you multiply R and F, if you multiply R vector and F vector, can you tell me what you will get? What you will get? You'll get torque, which is a vector quantity. So always remember what I'm trying to tell to you. What I'm trying to tell to you. Always remember now, when two vectors are multiplied, we always have two possibilities. Their multiplication will give us a quantity which is scalar. Two vectors multiplied, both possibilities are there. Multiplication of two vectors may be a scalar quantity. Multiplication of two vectors may be a vector quantity. So always remember, whenever two vectors are multiplied to give answer scalar, whenever two vectors are multiplied to give answer scalar quantity, that is known as dot product. Or people also say scalar product. Both you can say. We represent by dot, so that's why dot product. Or since answer is a scalar quantity, so that's why it is also known as scalar product. For example, work is F vector dot S vector. Okay, you can see force is also vector, displacement also vector, but when you multiply them, you get a quantity which is scalar. So that is the meaning of a scalar product. If you multiply two vector, result is scalar, that we say as dot product, that we represent by dot, and it is also known as scalar product or dot product. Yeah. Second possibility is, if you multiply two vectors, then also result can be vector also, and that vector product, since result is vector, so that's why we say vector product. That vector product we represent by, can you tell me? Vector product we represent by cross, or we can also say cross product. For example, torque is R cross F. So these are the two types of product that we'll study. In one situation, multiplication of two vectors will give us scalar number, scalar quantity, 2, 4, 5, 8, without any direction, it will give us scalar number. And multiplication of two quantity, in some situation, multiplication of two vectors will give us a vector. That is known as vector product. That is known as cross product. And first one, scalar product, is known as dot product. Yeah. Done. Basic idea everyone got. Bola. So now, again coming back to the first question, you tell me, if we multiply two vector, what is the possibility? Will we get a scalar quantity or will we get a vector quantity? What we will get? Both possibilities are there, sir. There are some quantities in physics when they are multiplied, some vectors are multiplied in physics, their answer comes scalar. That is known as scalar product or dot product. When two vectors are multiplied, result is vector. That is known as vector product or cross product. Is it okay up to this? Up to this, is it clear? Yeah, okay, very good. So we got the basic idea, sir, basic idea. But we will study both products separately. You can write dot product. We will learn what is meaning of dot product, how to do dot product, and how questions are asked from dot product. And first we will start with definition of dot product. Sir, how this dot product is defined? Okay, sir, you said if you have two vectors now, if you multiply two vectors, if result will come as scalar, that is known as scalar product, that is known as dot product, sir. But how this dot product is done, sir? What is the meaning of dot product? So understand how we'll be talking. Just see here, be focused, very important part. Slowly we are moving. Just see here, yeah, okay, no problem. Someone gave me two vectors. He gave A vector and B vector, and he asked me, do their dot product. Someone gave me A vector, B vector. He asked me, find their dot product. Dot product means A dot B. This is how we represent dot product. This is how we represent scalar product. Someone gave me A vector, B vector. He asked, do the dot product. I will simply say, okay, you want to do the dot product, A dot B. And this A dot B is defined as, anyone knows what is the value of A dot B? AB cos theta. A dot B is actually magnitude of A vector into magnitude of B vector into cos theta, which people in short also say as AB cos theta, where theta is angle between the two vectors. If this is A vector, this is B vector, theta is angle between the two vectors. This theta is present here. First you can write this, yeah. So A dot B is magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta, which people simply say, I told you, magnitude of A, you can simply say A also. So AB cos theta. This is the value. This is how we define A dot B. AB cos theta. Is it okay up to this? Is it okay? Yeah, okay, no problem. Keep on understanding. Keep on understanding. Yeah. Now always remember one thing. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Always remember A dot B is magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. Always remember magnitude of A will be always positive. Its magnitude, the magnitude will be always positive. Magnitude of B will be also always positive. Yeah. 1 minute. If you observe here, you will find that, sir, AB magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. Always remember magnitude of a quantity is always positive. So A magnitude will be always positive, B magnitude will be always positive, but cos theta can be positive also, negative also, zero also. And always remember dot product of two vectors. Always remember dot product if angle between, I am talking about theta. If theta is less than 90 degree, dot product will come positive. Dot product will come positive because cos will be in first quadrant. In first quadrant, you know, cos will be positive, theta less than 90. So if angle between the two vectors is less than 90 degree, dot product will come positive. That means angle is acute. If two vectors dot product is positive, means angle is acute. If theta is 90, can you tell me if theta will be 90, what will be dot product? 0, because AB cos A is always positive, B is always positive, but theta 90 means cos 90 is sunna baba, so dot product will come 0. This means vectors are perpendicular. A vector and B vector are perpendicular. You tell me if theta is more than 90, then what will be your dot product, positive or negative? Theta is more than 90, dot product positive or negative? Why negative? Because, sir, if theta is more than 19, sir, cos will go in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos used to be negative. So our value will come negative. So dot product will be negative. Your angle will be obtuse. First, you can write this. Yeah, okay, very good. ASTC rule, yeah. What is full form of ASTC? What is full form of ASTC? ASTC rule. All silver teacups. So chadda. Who framed such short form? All silver teacup. It should be all students take care. It should be all students take. Akhilesh sir, take care. All students take care. ASTC rule. Okay, no problem. Yeah. In books they write all silver cup tea. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Okay. So this is the basic idea. So first thing you tell me, what is the value of A dot B? A dot B is defined as come on, tell me. A dot B is AB cos theta, magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. You tell me when dot product of two vectors will be 0. When dot product of two vectors, come on, tell me fast, jaldi. When dot product of two vectors, when sir dot product 0 means, sir, cos theta is 0. Cos theta is 0 means theta will be 90. Yeah, okay, yeah. Cos theta 90 means dot product will be 0. Achha, tell me when dot product of two vectors will come negative. When dot product of two vectors will come negative? When dot product of two vectors will, yeah. When angle will be obtuse. These are also question asked. Angle greater than 90, dot product will come negative. Angle less than 90, dot product will come positive. Angle 90, dot product will come 0. Okay, no problem. Basic thing we are talking. So A dot B will be equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. Theta 90, dot product 0, less than 90 positive, more than 90 negative. Okay, no problem. Basic thing we are talking right now. Now just here, yeah. You know now, our physics, everything depend on 3 axes that we see. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. So can you tell me, if anyone asks you to do dot product of I with I, what is I dot I? Yeah, I dot I will be 0. I dot I will be 1. Sorry, I dot I will be 1. Why we say like this? Because when you do I dot I, it will give you magnitude of I into magnitude of I into cos theta. What is the angle between I and I? Both are x-axis na baba. So what is the angle between x-axis and x-axis? 0 degree. Both are x-axis baba. So x-axis, angle between them will be 0. So this will give you I magnitude, you know, unit vector 1 into 1. So this will give you 1. So that's why always remember, so this will give you 1. So that's why always remember I dot I will be same as, so that's why always remember I dot I will be equal to J dot J will be equal to K dot K. And all this value will be coming as, tell me how much, I dot I equal to J dot J equal to K dot K, all values will be equal to 1. All values will be equal to 1. I dot I will be equal to J dot J will be equal to K dot K, and that value will be equal to 1. Acha, if you are understanding this, tell me what is I dot J? Priyanka said 0. Why? I dot J. Now angle is 90 na. One is x-axis, other is y-axis. Enta angle, tombai angle between x-axis and y-axis. Sir, I dot J means now you are saying us to find, sir, magnitude of I into magnitude of J into cos theta. What is theta? Ij, x-axis, y-axis. Theta is 90. So this will give us, sir, 1 into cos 90 is 0. So this will give us 0. So that's why always remember I dot J will be equal to J dot K will be equal to K dot I, and that will be always equal to 0. These are the basic things of dot product. You can write all these things, then we'll move further. They are perpendicular. Means I will give dot only with I, and that value will be 1. J will give dot only with J. K will give dot only with K. I with J will give you 0, I with K will give you 0. J with I will give you 0, J with K will give 0. I will give dot only with I, that is 1. J will give dot only with J, that is 1. K will give only dot with K, that is 1. Is it okay? Is it okay up to this? Yeah, okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Yeah, So this is how we are talking, sir. Okay, we got. So again, I will ask. Come on, tell me what is I dot I, J dot J, K dot K. Enta value I dot I, J dot J, K dot K. Enta. Okati. Acha, I dot J or J dot K or K dot I. I dot J or J dot K or K dot I. 0. Why 0 in this case? Why 0 in this case? Why 0 in this case? Theta 90, cos 90 is 0, sir. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, no problem. This is how we are talking. Okay, no problem. Now just see. Yeah. But main point we are moving. In our physics, what will happen? In our physics, yeah. No, that is not possible. Chandraprabhas, that is not possible. Yeah. Yeah. Now, yeah. Okay. Now someone says, sir, in our physics, when question will come now, when force will come now, all three axes will be there. It's not like only I will be there. So right now you said only I and J. So when all the three are there in every vector, for example, someone says me, I have a vector. A vector, for example, a vector is given as ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Sir, B vector is given. B vector is, for example, given Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap. And someone asked me to now do dot product. Someone asked me, do A dot B. Can you think how much answer will come now? That is the definition. A dot B equal to AB cos theta. That is the definition. Gagandeep. How much it will come? 1 only. 3. क्या बोल रहे हो? See here. Okay, no problem. A is given as learn this. This is the process. This is the technique to do the dot product. Formula, concept, yeah. Jyotika has said correct. Very good, Jyotika. Someone else has also said correct. Yeah, Theta is not required here. Just see here. Be careful. सोचो थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ. Be careful. I'm concept completed. Dot product concept completed. I'm just telling you how to use that concept here. Be careful. Just see. Yeah. So always remember, whenever you have two vectors like this now, and someone asks you to do the dot product now, what you have to do, I coefficient will be multiplied with I, J coefficient will be multiplied with J, K coefficient will be multiplied with K. So answer will come AX BX. these two multiplied together plus ay by y will be multiplied with y, ay by plus az bz. This is the method to find dot product, az bz. This is the value of a dot b. कुछ समझे क्या? Coefficient I coefficient will be multiplied with I, j coefficient will be multiplied with j, k coefficient will be multiplied with k. I will be multiplied with I. For example, here 2 and 3 is there, so 2 into 3. Don't take I now. 2 and 3 are there, so 2 into 3 plus 4 into 5 plus 6 into 9. If minus is there, you have to consider minus also. अरे कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? Are you getting some idea? Huh? Okay, very good, very good, very good. Yeah. Acha, one more thing, just for your understanding, Acha, why we are not multiplying x I with j? Why we are not multiplying I with j? Can you think? You can multiply, but you already know na, when I will be multiplied with j, it will give you 0. No need to write always 0. Actually, what is happening? You are multiplying I with j also, you are multiplying with k also, but you know I dot j will give you 0. I dot k will also give you 0. So they are already 0. That's why I said you, I will give dot only with I, j will give dot only with j, k will give dot only with k. If you do I and j, it will give dot, but its value will be 0. And 0 we don't write. That's why we are getting like this. Everyone chamkabad, velagandi, y, I with I, j with j, k with k. And here don't write I now, because I to I became 1. This is also a mistake. People do this and here write I, here write j, here k. That's wrong. I dot I became 1 here, j dot j became 1 here, k dot k became 1 here. I will give you one question. Find the dot product. Come on. You write find a dot b. Find a dot b. Find a dot b. Trishal, 6 plus 2, 8. Yeah, correct. Trishal, correct. Bhanu, correct. 4 will come. Janvi, how you are getting 8, Baba? Minus, are you not seeing 4 into minus 1 give you minus 4? 4 will come. Yeah. I will simply say it's very easy. I will simply say, sir, here 1 is there. So this 2 into 1. 2 into 1, sir. Plus 3 into 2, sir. 3 into 2, sir. Plus 4 into minus 1. 4 into minus 1. So this will give you 2 plus 6 minus 4. So that will give you 4. Is it okay? सबको समझ में आया क्या कैसे डॉट प्रोडक्ट करना है दो वेक्टर का? How to find dot product of two vectors if vectors are given? Yeah, very easy. Kids do all these things. Yeah. I with I, j with j, k with k. Will multiply, seeing plus minus, will add, subtract, will get the answer. Done. Bolo, pakka. Okay, very good. Do one more question, come on. Yeah, do one previous year NEET question where they asked, they gave force. Force was given 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap. They gave displacement vector 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. And they asked work, which is f dot s. Find work, come on. This is also previous year question. You can see in work power energy such questions will be there. 8, yeah, simple, very simple, बहुत ही आसान. Nothing can be easier than this. Sir, 2 into 3, 6. 4 into 3, 12. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10. So this will be giving us 18. Yeah, this will be giving us 8 joule. This is the work done. Yeah, okay, very good. Yeah. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all this situation. We'll move further. आगे बढ़ेंगे. Once you complete, once you feel, oh sir, everything I understood, sir, we can move further, you can say done, sir. And once I will say, you can say done, sir, he'll say done, sir. No patience is there. Ah, okay, sir. We are hungry for knowledge, sir, so that's why how we can have patience. Yeah. Yeah, sir. Jaldi batao, sir. Interesting. Yeah, we are understanding, sir. Yeah. Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah. Now be careful. Now be careful. Yeah. Just here. Okay. Yeah. Huh. Okay, okay, Gandhi. Yeah. Huh. Huh. Okay. Now, I'm not going to tell you any new concept. Concept completed. Concept method everyone completed. But type of questions will come there. If I will not tell you, you will struggle to think. So there are three types of questions which are asked from here. Actually, questions are asked from uses of dot product. With the help of dot product, you can do something. One type of question is this: force is given, displacement is given, do the work done. You will do the work done, F dot S, which you will do in work power energy. But there are some questions which are designed specially for dot product. And those questions comes from uses of dot product. You can use dot product for some purpose. You write uses of dot product. Questions will come from here. Uses of dot product. And first use is very, very important. Uses of 1 plus, very good. Very good. Yeah, 1 plus has said me all the uses. Uses of dot product. And questions will come from here. You see previous year NEET question, you find so many questions has been asked from here. Just see the first use. See the first use. Yeah. Acha, for example, just see here. Manu also very good. Yeah. What are the uses of dot product? See the first use. See the first use. Yeah. Gautam, that also will talk. Yeah. Acha, always remember, if anyone give you two vector, someone gave you 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap, 5i cap plus 6j cap plus 8k cap, and he asks you find the angle between the vectors. Can you find? That angle is no other method exists. Don't think in maths there is a method to find. No other method. There is only one method in entire physics and maths to find angle between the two vectors, and that method is very easy with the help of dot product. So this is the first use you write to find angle between two vectors. This is the first use. I will tell you how you can find angle very easily. In one line you can get the angle between two vectors. To find angle between two vectors. This is the first use. To find angle between two vectors. Now you'll be thinking, sir, how you can find angle between two vectors? Here, very easy. Nothing new. Same thing I will tell you. Just I will tell you the process. Though in your mind it will say, oh, this is how. Just here. This is the method to find angle. If two vectors are given, someone asks, find the angle. You can do like this. You can find angle so much easily. You simply say, sir, you want angle between two vectors. So always remember, for angle, what we do, we use the definition of dot product. We already, sir, you want angle between A vector and B vector. Now I already know, sir. A vector dot B vector will be equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. You already know now how to find angle, how to find dot product. Yeah. You already know now how to find dot product, I with I, J with J, K with K. So this you will be always able to get. You also know how to find magnitude of A vector, the root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. Similarly, B vector, you can find cos theta from here very easily. Don't remember this formula. People start remembering the formula. This is not a formula. Just I'm telling you. This will come A dot B divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. So whenever two vectors are given, angle is asked, one method, dot product. So first write A dot B equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. Dot product you know how to find. A magnitude you know how to find. B magnitude you know how to find. Put here, you will get the answer. You will get the cos theta. You will get the cos theta. That will be your answer. Chamka kya? Well, again, how to find angle between two vectors. You already know left side, A dot B. Abhi to padha, I with I, J with J, K with K. You already know how to find magnitude of the vector. So many times we did in the last class. Just petandi, answer was tundi. So two questions we will do. One question I will give you. Let's see whether you are able to think or not. Then again I will explain. The next question also I'll give you. Shall I give one question? Do kya? Huh? Yeah, do one question. Do one question, huh? And you can search previous year questions also in our assignment also, which I sent. There it is there, question, previous year question also, so many will be there. You write, find the angle between vector 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap and I cap plus j cap minus k plus k cap. Find the angle between these two vectors, 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap and I cap, j cap plus k cap. One plus, very good. One plus, very good. Priyanka, very good. Some people are getting answer, very good. Trishal, very good. You can simply set me the value of cos theta. Remaining people, क्या कर रहे हो? 223,000, very good. Gautam, C calculation mistake you have done. Yeah, that's okay. Gautam, that's correct. Gautam, correct. You have simplified further. Very good. Yeah. Only 8 people gave answer till now. What remaining people? क्या कर रहे हो? Bhojanam, sleeping, walking, dancing, crying, chilling. But you have to do the question. Jaldi. 1920 correct. Very good. Manu correct. 222 correct. Gagandeep, correct. Yeah. Okay, I think everyone will get. Everyone will get. Sir, we are doing. Yeah. Don't think, sir. We are very sincere students, sir. Don't think like that. We are doing, sir. Maybe, yeah, busy somewhere. Yeah. Okay, but we are doing. Yeah. And I think everyone will get. Huh? Nayak has only given wrong answer. Surya, correct. Yeah. Simple. Angle is asked. Sir, you want angle between. I told you there is no other method. There is no other option to find the angle. I'll simply say, sir, two vectors are given. You want angle between the two vectors. Na? I know, sir. Whenever angle between the two vectors is asked, only one way is there. A dot B. You have to do the dot product, sir. That means A dot B will be equal to AB cos theta. Or better, you can write magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. Now, sir, what is A dot B? Just now studied now how to do the dot product. I with I, J with J, K with K. So 2 into here 1, so 2. Here 3 into 1, so 3. Plus 4 into 1, so 4. Magnitude of A, you know now how to find. Under root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square into magnitude of B, you know now under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square into cos theta. Kitna aasan hai yaar, this is so easy. I was expecting it maybe little tough, but so easy. So from here, how much it will come? 4 plus say 9. So 9 will be coming as, this is root 29 and this is root 3 cos theta. So you can find cos theta from here. That will be 9 by root 29 into root 3. If you want, you can further simplify it, or this you can, depending on option, root 87. Is it okay? Is it okay? How many of you got this answer? Come on. How many of you got this answer? Bolo bolo jaldi. Varshini got 223,000. Priyanka, Lisha, Jenny, Aditya, Jyotika, Trishal, Gagandeep, Manu, Janvi. Very good. Very good. Do one more last question from angle. Come on. Bhanu, Pradeep. Yeah. Very good. Suhas. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Suhas. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Do the next question. Final question from angle. Final question from angle. Yeah. Surya. Very good. Yeah. You can do the next question. Final question from angle. You write, find angle between A vector and B vector. No need to remember any formula directly. Right? You know the method, only dot product is the method. So A dot B equal to AB cos theta, then put on the left side, then put on the right side, get the cos theta. Chala sulbham. Trishal has said the first answer seems to be correct. Very good, Trishal. But I think 2 times root 6 will come. Acha, okay, 2 times it will not. Yeah, huh. Divided by 3 root 6. Okay, very good. No problem. I think everyone will get. We always know. Yeah, I think everyone is getting. Nothing to worry. Yeah. Huh. Suat, very good. Okay, Manu, yeah. Yeah. 6 by 6 or 2 plus 2, 4, 4 minus 2, 2 by 2 by root will come. Okay, no problem. Let's see. Okay. I'll simply say, sir, you want the angle. Don't do calculation mistake. Please don't do. Otherwise, all concept studying, everything will go in wastage. I'll simply say, sir, you want angle. A dot B will be equal to, sir, AB cos theta. Okay, sir. What is dot product, sir? Here 2 will come, sir. Here 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 1, 2. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2, that will be equal to magnitude of A. If you calculate magnitude of A, under root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square into magnitude of B, sir, under root of, sir, 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square into cos theta, sir. Now from here, sir, so 2, 2, 4, 4 minus 2, so this will come 2, sir. This will come, sir, 4 plus 2, 6, I think, under root 6, sir. Okay. Now here this will come, sir, under root of 2, 2, 4, 4, 9, 9, 9, 9. So this will come 9, root 9 into cos theta. So you can write this as 3. So cos theta will come 2 by root 9, 3, and this root 6. So 3 root 6. This is the answer coming. Everyone got? I think everyone got. So can I be 100% confident if tomorrow in NEET question comes, find the angle between the two vectors? Definitely, without any doubt, you'll be able to do that question. Bolo, with 100% confidence. Bolo, yes or no? Yes, sir. What's so big deal, sir? A dot, the only one method is there. Dot product is the method. So A dot B will be equal to AB cos theta. Values pattern D, answer vastu D. We'll move to the second use. You write second use. Second, we will talk. Second use of dot product. Shall we start second use? Shuru kare? Okay, very good. See here, yeah. Second use is even more easy. Actually, third use is slightly complicated. Second use is even more easy. Okay. Achha, you tell me, if two vectors are perpendicular or orthogonal. Perpendicular word is also known as orthogonal. Perpendicular also means orthogonal. Yeah. Achha, tell me, if someone says you, two vectors are perpendicular, what will be theta between them? What will be theta between them? 90. And if theta is 90, what is cos 90? What is cos 90? 0. So what will be their dot product? What will be their dot product? 0. So always remember, sometimes dot product is also used to check whether two vectors are perpendicular or not. They will give you two vectors and they will say you check whether vectors are perpendicular or not. If dot product of two vectors come positive, if dot product of two vectors comes 0, that means they are perpendicular. So this is the second use. You write to check perpendicularity. To check perpendicularity, in bracket orthogonal. To check perpendicularity, in bracket orthogonal, of two vectors. To check perpendicularity, in bracket orthogonal, of two vectors. To check perpendicularity, in bracket orthogonal, of two vectors. So always remember, if two vectors are given, someone says, sir, if A vector and B vector are perpendicular, that means theta between them is 90. We already know, sir, cos 90 will be 0, sir. So A dot B will be equal to 0. If dot product of two vectors is 0, that means vectors are perpendicular. You can write this and see how question will come for you, how they will frame question for all of you. And very important, very, very important question. Achha, one thing always remember, yeah, okay. They will not ask you to check perpendicularity. They will say, they will give you two vectors and they will say if these two vectors are perpendicular, find some unknown quantity. What will happen in two vectors they will give now? In two vectors, one vector they will put some unknown thing and they will ask you if the two vectors are perpendicular, find that unknown. So if those two vectors are perpendicular, dot product will be 0. So find dot product equate to 0 will get. Are you following what I'm saying? How question will come? You are a student, so they will not ask you check. Checking is done by teacher. Students do the question. So what will happen? They will not ask you to check generally. They will not ask you. They will simply give you two vectors. Say, I will give one question. Manu, don't worry. Yeah, without question, I know two questions I will give you. Yeah. So what will happen? They will give you A vector, they will give you B vector, and they will say, if the given two vectors are perpendicular, find alpha. So do the dot product. Perpendicular means dot product will be 0. Do the dot product I with I, J with J, K with K, equate it to 0, you'll get alpha. I'll give you one question. You write. If the given vectors A and B are perpendicular, if the given two vectors A and B are perpendicular, A vector and B vector are perpendicular, if the given two vectors A vector and B vector are perpendicular, find alpha. Find alpha. Perpendicular means dot product will be 0. Make the dot product. Trishal, very good. मनु रॉन्ग. मनु कैसे कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हो बाबा? जोड़ना घटा, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन. प्रियंका करेक्ट. Don't do mistake in addition subtraction. Sai, very good. Other people what doing? So easy. Chinna question. Tina, very good. 22 3000, very good. 1920, very good. Lisha, कैसे कैलकुलेशन कर रही है Lisha? 222 934, correct. Suhas, correct. Manu, 3/14 or 14/3, Manu. Aditya, very good. S, very good. क्या है इसमें? What he said? Ridhima, correct. Yeah. Now Manu has said correct. I'll simply say, sir, A vector, B vector given perpendicular. Perpendicular means, sir, A dot B will be equal to 0. Vectors perpendicular because A is perpendicular on B. So their dot product must be 0. Corona dot product. Corona dot product. I with I, 2 into 3, 6. J with J, 3 minus 3 into minus alpha, minus 3 alpha. K with K, 8. This will be equal to 0. हो गया. अब इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है? So from here you can say 14. 6 plus 8, 14. And this alpha, 3 alpha. So alpha will be coming as 14/3. हो गया क्या? Done. Everyone got? One more question you can do from here. Come on. You can do one more question. No problem. No problem. Yeah. You can do one more question. You write, if the given vectors are perpendicular, then find x. If the given two vectors are perpendicular, find x. No problem, Ridhima. Sometimes. Yeah, 6 will come. Yeah, so easy. Trishal very good, Shuaz very good. अब इससे आसान क्या हो सकता है? Ridhima very good, Tina is very good, Priyanka very good, Susma very good, Janvi very good, Varshini very good, Vasavi, Manu, Bhanu, Aditya, 2230, Sai, Jyotika, 1 plus Gautam, AKD, everyone got the answer, everyone got the answer. Yeah, simple. So they are perpendicular now. That means, sir, I know A dot B will be equal to 0, sir. Ab karo, sir. Karo na. Yeah. Corona. Yeah. Now that those days gone now when people used to say corona and people used to fear. No, one time day was there. If people somewhere in your ears corona word will come, people, corona kisko hua hai? Now it gone na. Yeah, 2 years back it was there. Now people, acha COVID hua hai. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So this, yeah, this is our human being. We learn how to fight with the time. We learned how to fight with the COVID, and once we become fearless, nothing happens. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Now all chill with Acha. Okay, no problem. Gagandeep, no problem. Sometimes delayed, but don't deny it. Work hard. Yeah. Okay. So I think everyone will get I with I is at 2x. Sir, minus 16. Plus 4 equal to 0. Yeah, x is coming as 6. This answer, yeah. Yeah, going to say, of course, now all those things cannot stop human. Yeah, our life keep on going, doesn't matter. Yeah, okay, no, but that time disease was new, so that's why people became very, but I got COVID, and during entire COVID, I took the class. Online classes were there, and I used to take class, 6-hour class. Okay, leave it. These are the days which you can say after 10 years. Kids will be there, na? Those kids, you'll become old and you'll say to kids that at our one time was there when everyone, so much of fear was there. Leave those things. Now let's, I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. Chalo. So once completed, you can say done, sir. We'll move towards the third use. Okay, very good. So let's move towards, okay, very good, Okay, Jenny, good advice giving. Okay, let's move further. Let's move towards the third use. Be careful, yeah, okay, And why I'm asking you to be extra careful while talking about third use? Yeah, Gautam, very good. Third use is related directly from NCERT. Actually, in NCERT, dot product is taught in chapter work power energy. Cross product is given in chapter our rotational. But we cannot do like that. We have to study from the beginning everything. So actually, third use is there related directly in NCERT. These uses are there. Now questions are asked from here, but they are not directly given in NCERT. In different chapter. Okay, no problem. Manu, be careful here. Okay. So third thing which we are going to talk about, third use, this is taken exactly from NCERT. So tomorrow if question will come, yes, they ask the question to check the perpendicularity. They ask that question in your magnetism. They ask that question in your torque. But projection of vector is there. Third use is there, that is projection of vector or component of vector. That is given directly from NCERT. So I'll be talking about this part. So be extra careful about the third use. You write to find component or projection. To find component or projection of a vector. To find component and or projection of a vector. Very important use. To find component or projection of a vector. To find component or projection of a vector. Now see here how this dot product is involved. Finally one value will come, you have to remember. But don't remember it blindly, because it will be confused in the exam. Not totally mesh up will happen. So I'll tell you how to find the projection of A vector on B vector, how to find component of A vector on B vector. Is it okay? Shall we start? शुरू कर सकते हैं क्या? Can I start projection of A vector on B vector, projection of one vector on B vector, component of one vector along? So be very careful, understand also, and finally you have to remember also. Just see here how things are given related with this in NCERT. Just see here, yeah, Pansar is here only, yeah, okay. But he's having some other classes, that's why not taking your class. Soon he will take. Don't worry. Yeah, okay, just see here, So someone said, sir, how to find projection of A vector on B vector? He will come in few days. Other classes are also there. Nah, he will come in few days. Don't worry. Yeah. So if two vectors are given, sir, how to find component of one vector along other vector, or how to find projection of one vector on other vector? Just see here. For example, just see here. Yeah. Assume we are having two vector. Assume I'm having two vector. This is our A vector and this is our B vector. Angle between them is theta. You already know, if you find dot product, sir, A vector dot B vector will come, sir, magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. You already know, sir, A dot B will come magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. Now see how to get the projection. Just see here how we'll be talking. Just see here. For example, assume how to get the projection or how to get component of one vector along other. Just see here. For example, assume, what is the meaning of word projection? Assume on my hand, this is my hand, this is my arm now, one vector is present. On my arm, one vector is there. As you tell me, from top, if I blow a torch, what will happen? What will happen? If I blow a torch, what will happen? Kya hoga? If this vector is there, if I blow a torch from top, what will happen? Its shadow will be formed. Its shadow of this vector will be formed on my hand. Shadow of this arrow will be formed on my hand, and this shadow means projection. And a projection is nothing. Projection is shadow. That is the meaning of projector. When you see anything on projector, that thing is not present in front of you. That is the shadow of that body. So what happened now? Yeah, just see here how we'll be talking. Yeah. So if you blow torch on vector A, its shadow will form on vector B. If you blow torch on vector A from the top, its shadow will be formed on vector B. That is the meaning of projection. Projection of A vector on B vector. Or you can also think, sir, projection also means component. Actually, you tell me, if the angle is theta, if I take reference line as vector B, how much component of A will come along B? You have studied in last class the component along the reference line. Bolo, how much component will come along the reference line? Our A vector is the reference line. How much component will come? Sir, if you see vector A will have two component, one along the reference line, that is A cos theta. One perpendicular to the reference. We are not interested in this. We are interested in projection of A vector on B vector. We are interested in component of A vector along B vector. That means you tell me, if anyone asks you what is component or projection of A vector on B vector, projection of A vector on B vector, can you tell me how much it will come? देख के बताओ डायग्राम, how much it will come? यहाँ first tell me this, then I will tell you from there. First tell me what is the component of A vector. See this diagram and tell me what is the component of A vector along B vector. कितना A cos theta. So what's so big deal, sir? This is A, sir. Along the reference line, component will come, sir, A cos theta. We know, sir, this is A cos theta. We have studied in last class also, sir. This will be A cos theta. But now you will be thinking, sir, why you are saying this thing? Because this A cos theta you can find from there. voice Vastunda, Vastundi. Huh? Now is it coming? Yeah, okay. I was just showing you that next year you have to become doctor. After that, this is reunion shield is there. No? Everyone has to get it. Everyone has to get it. For that, you have to work more for 1 more year. Okay. I was trying to motivate you. Without sound, nothing was there. So what I can do? I was just showing you this. You can zoom it. Do you know how to zoom? Leave it, leave it. He don't know. Okay, leave it. Yeah. Okay, huh? Okay. So everyone has to work hard. Everyone has to work hard. Yeah. Okay, huh? So I was talking. I can zoom it, but okay. Let's complete this. Yeah. Let's complete this. Huh? Okay, huh? So okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. So component. Oh, Gautam. Gautam has said nice word. For emotions, no language required. Wow. Without language, sir, you communicated to Gautam. Yeah. Okay. Jai Valya. Okay. Now be focused here, be focused here, be focused here. We'll do more situation. Numerical we'll do in the next class. Just we'll finish out what I was trying to tell you. Again, we will talk in the next class from here. Yeah. So, clearly, projection of A vector on B vector is simply A cos theta because your B vector is reference line. So along the reference line component, you already know A cos theta. And why we are studying in, why we are studying in dot product? Why we are studying in dot product? Because you can find A cos theta from the dot product. So A dot B is AB cos theta. We calculated A cos theta. This is the value, and this value can be written as simply A dot B divided by magnitude of B. Is it okay? Is it okay? क्या वैसा ही हो? Is it okay up to this? Because the projection of A vector on B vector, now that means you want component of A vector along B vector, now that will come, sir, A cos theta. We already know A dot B is AB cos theta. So from there, A cos theta will come A dot B divided by magnitude of B. That's it, sir. Divided by magnitude of B. Now just see here, yeah. So A dot B divided by magnitude of B. Or you can also write this as A dot. Achha, B vector by B mod is what? B vector by B mod is what? B vector by B mod is what? Unit vector B cap. So projection formula is also A dot B by B magnitude or A dot B cap. Some people write projection formula like this also. A dot B cap magnitude of unit vector for the given vector. Yeah. Everyone got the idea? Bolo. Now tell me. Now one more thing, last thing. Achha, if anyone asks you what is the component of or projection of component of B vector along A. Can you tell me B component of B vector along A, how much it will come? B vector along A, that will come B cos theta, and there A will come in denominator. Numerator will be same. Numerator will be dot product. You do A dot B or B dot A, doesn't matter. Yeah, Priyanka, very good. Yeah. If anyone asks you what is the projection of B vector along A, so if you make A as reference line, this will come B cos theta. And this B cos theta, if you calculate from here, that will become A dot B divided by magnitude of A. So that will become A cap dot B vector. Are you getting the idea? For numeric, yeah, very good. For numerical, this result you have to use. This is the result which you'll use for numerical. Done. Last 1 minute I require. Done. Bolo, jaldi. That means, yeah, just see one more thing, you understood, but in NEET, you cannot do all these things. So always remember, whenever projection of A vector on B vector is asked now, first thing, projection is calculated by dot product. So do the dot product. Divided by magnitude of the vector. You see here also numerator will be same. Difference will come in denominator. When you are finding projection along B vector now, divide by magnitude of B. When you're finding projection along A vector, now divide by magnitude, because in the NEET tomorrow it will not be given A vector and B vector. Simply two vector will be there. So always remember, whenever projection or component of one vector or other vector is asked, first thing do the dot product divided by magnitude of the vector, divided by the magnitude of the vector on which you are finding projection. You see, I am finding projection on B, so divided by magnitude of B. I am finding projection on A, so divided by magnitude of A. ये बात समझ में आया क्या? बोलो बोलो बोलो, एक बार बोल दो. And write this point, last point numerical we'll do in the next class. Last point you can write. For finding projection, we divide the dot product of two vectors. For finding projection, we divide the dot product of two vectors. For finding projection, we divide the dot product of two vectors by magnitude of vector. We divide the dot product of two vector by magnitude of vector. We divide dot product of vector by magnitude of vector along which projection is calculated, along which, whose projection you don't have to divide, along which projection is calculated, along which projection is calculated. Are you getting this point? Two vectors will be given, simply do the dot product, divide the dot product by magnitude of which vector. You divide the dot product by whose magnitude? Jaldi. You divide the dot product by whose magnitude? अरे sir dot product तो करेंगे ही, A dot B or B dot A. Sir, the A on B is asked or B on A is asked, doesn't matter. We'll do the dot product divided by whose magnitude? Jaldi. बोलो. Divided by whose magnitude? What happened? No one is saying anything. Divided by magnitude of the vector along which we are finding projection, on which we are finding projection. If you're finding on B, divided by magnitude of B. If finding on A, divided by magnitude of A. Is it okay? Is it okay? Yeah, so we'll do numerical from here. Time also completed. So this is how we have talked about more situations. From here we'll be talking in our next class. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. May Lord Ganesh bring lots of happiness, sweets and success in your life. Tata, bye bye, take care, take care, take care, take care, take care. Yeah, bye 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 bye, study well. Bye 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 bye. Tomorrow no classes. No, tomorrow holiday.